How to change your username on Spotify. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your username on Spotify. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is just a really quick video because it's a very easy process to be able to change your username on Spotify. So what you need to do is go to the Spotify app on your mobile device, and then you'll head over to this page. Once here, tap on the settings icon in the top right hand corner, and then once you're in your settings page, it will look like this. Next, you can see I've got my username right there in the middle of the screen, Tips for Noobs. So I'm just going to tap on that button, and then it's going to take me to this next page where in the middle I can tap on Edit Profile. So I'm just going to tap on Edit Profile, and here you can see I now have the option to change my username. And it says this could be your first name or a nickname. It's how you'll appear on Spotify. You also can change your profile photo as well if you would like by tapping on change photo and then going and looking for the photo that you'd like to upload. And that's all it takes to change your username on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.